Thursday, February the 24th, 1966. The day when a handful of courageous Ghanaians led a coup d'etat, which resulted in the overthrow of Nkrumah's dictatorship. The events of the days that followed are now part of history. Our country is once more on a path of democratic liberty. Nkrumah idolized himself to the extent of having statues, plaques, and various reproductions of his effigy placed in every corner of our land. Now at last, the myth is broken. The megalomaniac who thought he was God is no more. And, to the delight of every citizen, his imagery has been hastily erased. Outside Parliament House, home of Ghanaian democracy, every trace of the dictator's statue is removed. The deserted institute at Winneba, once the base for distributing foreign ideology, is now closed, and the work of erasing unpleasant memories proves to be a labor of love to the troops who perform it. And now for one last look at the Nkrumah image. He admired this one because it placed his effigy higher than ever before. It was almost as though fate were taking a hand in its construction, setting him up, as it were, for the biggest and most permanent fall of his life. Broadcasting House, Accra, where the first dramatic broadcasts were made on that Thursday morning, is now the scene of an address to the nation by